Hey there, it's Udya here from my English diary. Today I'm gonna teach you subjective pronouns plus verb to be. Actually, I have already uploaded a video regarding subjective pronouns. If you wanna know about them furthermore, you can go and check out my video first. So let's begin. Subjective pronouns. Here you can see subjective pronouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So, how to use verb to be with these subjective pronouns? I am. You are. We are. They are. He is. She is. It is. Now we have to know how to use these subjective pronouns plus verb to be as a contraction, because contractions are really important when we talk English. Let's begin. I am. I'm. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. There. He is. His. She is. She's. It is. Its. Keep this in mind. If you are gonna talk English, you have to use contractions. It's okay to use long terms while we write English. However, if we wanna speak as a native speakers, that we have to use contractions than using long terms. It's okay to use long terms, but to be natural, we have to use contractions. Okay, let's see it again. I am. I'm. You are. You're. We are. We're. They are. There. He is. His. She is. She's. It is. Its. Yeah, you've done a good job. Now, let's see how to talk about someone's jobs and their good or bad traits. Also, sometimes some places traits by using these subjective pronouns plus verb to be. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Or I'm a girl. I'm a girl. We are children. We are children. They're children. They're children. He's a boy. He's a boy. She's a girl. She's a girl. It's a cat. It's a cat. Or it's a book. It's a book. Also, it's a school. It's a school. It we can use with animals, things, or sometimes places. Okay, now let's look at some more examples. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. We are people. We are people. They're students. They're students. She's a nurse. She's a nurse. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. It's a pen. It's a pen. Alright, so when we talk about singular nouns, we always use a or an. It's a school. It's a school. It's an apple. It's an apple. Why have I used here a school and an apple? Exactly. According to the sound. What's that? According to the sound. A school, consonant sound. School. An apple. Apple, a vowel sound. When it comes to consonant sounds, we usually use a, as well as when it comes to vowel sounds, we usually use an in front of the noun. Keep this in your mind. We can only use a or an with the nouns. That's all for today. I hope that you have clearly understood my lesson. We will meet next day with the newest and the beautiful lesson. Until then, good luck with your English. See you later.